In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up NordVPN on Windows. By the end, you'll know how to create your account, download the app, install it correctly with administrator permissions, sign in, and connect to a secure server in just a few clicks. Make sure you're on a Windows PC with a stable internet connection before you start. Begin by visiting NordVPN's official website in your browser. Choose the subscription plan that fits your needs. Longer plans often lower the monthly cost. Create your account with a valid email address, then check your inbox for a verification message. Open that email and click the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see it, look in your spam or junk folder. Verifying your email is important because it ties your purchase to your account and allows you to sign in later. Once your account is ready, find the download section on the NordVPN site and select the Windows version. Click to download the installer file. It will usually go to your downloads folder. It's a good idea to confirm you're on the official NordVPN domain before downloading to ensure the file is legitimate. When the download is complete, open your downloads folder, locate the .exe file, and right-click it. Choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to set up the app properly. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes, click Yes. Follow the on-screen prompts. Click Install to begin. You may see optional browser extensions offered during setup. If you don't want them, simply uncheck those boxes. The installation should only take a minute or two. If Windows displays any additional prompts related to security or network permissions, follow them so the app can function correctly. After installation, launch the NordVPN app. On the sign-in screen, enter the email and password associated with the account you just created. Keep your credentials private and avoid saving them on shared devices. Now you're ready to connect. For the fastest start, click Quick Connect. The app will automatically choose a nearby high-performing server and connect you securely. If you prefer a specific region, use the map or the country list to select your location manually. This is handy if you're traveling or need consistent access to services available in a particular country. You can disconnect and reconnect at any time from the main screen. That's it. You've set up NordVPN on Windows, signed in, and established a secure connection. Enjoy safer browsing, and remember to open the app and connect whenever you go online.